Good evening. Look at this. I really gotta get rid of that. That's driving me batty. Anyway, how is everybody doing today? I've been like a no makeup person all day. I can't believe it. Like I to be honest, have quite a few of those days. Some majority of the time I just put on makeup to show you guys and then it's off again. So anyways, today, if you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. If you are on and you're watching the replay, or if you're just on watching this live, jumping on now or whatever, make sure to share my video to be entered in this month's draw. And that'll be happening at the end. Hello, Linda. How are you? And, yeah, another thing. I had another thing and I can't remember what it was. Yeah, we're talking about contouring today. So, I'm going to just go ahead and get started. When you pop on, say hello. Hi, Alyssa. How are you? Don't forget to share to be entered into this month's draw, ladies. How are you? How was your day today? So, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer on one half with my, actually, you know what? I'm going to do my concealer with my whole face. Why not? We also have the contouring stick as well, and I'm going to be using that as well to contour. I like contouring with my highlight, for my highlighting with my concealer. And there's the hubby. If you're watching the replay, hashtag replay. I said that already, baby. Don't forget to share. If you share, you get entered in the draw. I did that too, and Alyssa just shared. Thanks, babe. So, it's always nice to highlight underneath the eyes, get rid of the circles. These darks, and do it in a triangular shape. And then just blend it out. I don't have the proper brush. Oh, don't poke yourself in the eye, whatever you do. So I like to use my fingers to blend. I'm not doing too bad. Kaylin and I pretty much hung out at my in-laws for the most of the day. Of course, Peter was working and we ran out of furnace oil. So it got cold here, but now we're back and running again, so we're good. Just had to wait till he got home. And there was no way I was freezing my butt off here, so I went to my in-laws. Okay, so that's part of the highlighting on that side. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We also both got new dressers to us. They were hand-me-downs, but they're really nice dressers, and it's better than using a piano bench in a closet. My husband's got headphones on. Nothing.
What'd you say?
I was talking about your clothes being on a piano bench in the closet.
No, they're not. They're in a dresser.
I know they're in a dresser now. But you know what? We've been super blessed. When we came here, we basically came here with our clothes and Kaylin's toys. That was about it. And we have been blessed so much since we got here. It's amazing. Hi, Lena! Sounds like a relaxing day, other than running out of heat. Yep. That wasn't too bad. It happens. It's just, I think what's really kind of funny is where we were in Ontario, where we didn't have to deal with oil tanks and filling up with oil, furnace oil and stuff. We had electric heat. And so we're not used to having to remember to fill up the tank or, you know, putting oil in. So I think that's why, one reason. I'm not trying to give you guys the finger. That is not me. It's just I'm using that finger to clean my makeup off a little bit. Blend it out. So that helps get rid of the dark circles under your eyes too. It's basically highlighting your cheekbone area. Yep. So we're all good. We're all running again. Lena, if you're hearing me, we have heat now. Hi, 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 hi. Don't forget to share. You'll be entered into this month's draw. The end of the month will be the draw. And so every live video that you share, you get entered in that many times. You can't share the same one over and over again. It doesn't work that way. Sorry. I don't even know if you can. But, yeah. So, alright. So, another place I like to highlight with my concealer is my T-bone area. And I normally do this before I come live when I do my makeup, because it would just make my videos that much longer. That's why you don't really see me doing it. So, T-zone area. Yes, it is great. Poor Kayla and I was putting her to bed. She goes, Mommy, it's cold. I said, just wait. Daddy's got the furnace going. It'll warm up. So she's all snuggled in her bed. She's pretty much passed out, too, because she didn't really nap today. She fell asleep on the way home from Nanny and Grampy's, and, yeah. I woke her up. Okay, so now another place that I'm going to do is down here. On the bottom part of my cheekbone to really define my jawline, considering I don't really have one. I guess I do in a sense. It's just hiding under that chubbiness. So I blend that in. So what did you guys do today? Anything interesting? The sun actually came out this afternoon. It was awesome. And it's supposed to be, from what I noticed on the Weather Network, it's supposed to be sunny until next Thursday is 70% chance of sprinkle showers with some sun, periods of sun. So, yeah, it's supposed to be really nice this weekend. I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait. Hopefully I can get some gardening done, because that's my plan. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer on my contouring stick. There is a highlighter on the other side. I find it is a little too dark for me. So I only use it to, like, basically touch up blemishes and stuff. Just give me one quick second here. I'm just logging into my computer here so that I can check something real quick. Sorry, guys. I apologize for this. What'd you guys have for supper? Odd question, I know. Create conversation, right? So, when you're doing your bronzer, you want to start from your ear, basically, where the top of your ear is, and you're going to go down halfway. You don't want to go towards your mouth. You don't want to go all the way. And this is going to give you, and then you can go under here and up here. And if you have a wide forehead like me, I always like to do up there, so then it kind of shades it in some. Alright, let's see here. I'm looking for. Hold on. Okay. So we do have our sculpting trio for highlighting and contouring. It's like the eyebrow palette basically. It has 3 slots for your, and it shows you where it actually has a guide to show you where you can contour on your face. So it gives you an idea. So if you're a first time user, it'll help. I'm using my hands once again to blend this in. My sister and I went to the mall for a while, then I came home at 2. Oh, that sounds like fun. What did you do at the mall? Did you get anything? Did you get anything, go shopping, or was it just window shopping? I love window shopping, although I find it can be a pain at times. It's like teasing you in the windows and stuff, looking around. So I'm just going to blend this up a little, and then down in my cheekbone area. And I'll take my, you usually would take a brush or something, and I kind of like wipe it a little bit just so it's not so profuse. But you can see how it makes a little divot look. It shadows in your cheeks. Slovaki skewers, homemade french fries and peas. Oh, did I say that right, Lena? Slovaki? Peter, is that how you pronounce this? Slovaki skewers? I'm trying to pronounce it. He's better at it than I am. Slovaki? Okay, thank you. That sounds delicious, Lena. You should send me like the
You didn't have Slovakian food with me?
No.
Oh. I might let you try some sometime.
I got some face primer and looked at sneakers for work. I had Wendy's for supper. Oh, nice. We have face primer too, guys. It's awesome stuff. Anyways, sneakers for work. Oh, that's great. Something like that. I've never had that before. Slovaki food. Interesting. So, that is your contouring. I did my eyebrows yesterday. It's pretty, I mean, there's a lot, it depends on what you want to highlight and contour. It's all in your own preference. You can put a little bronzer on your nose area right here to highlight your nose, make it look like your nose is a little thinner. Basically, anywhere that you want to focus on, that's what you highlight, like your cheekbones. If you like your cheekbones, you want to highlight your cheekbones. Probably could have blended that out a little bit better, but, so yeah. Oh, I guess I gotta do this, don't I? That would have been hilarious. Don't forget to blend everything, because if you go out with a line underneath your chin, that would look hilarious.
Just remember, and we're blending, and we're blending, and we're blending.
Oh, babe.
What?
You're funny. So, yeah. So, anyways, that is how you can contour. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I am going to go and hit the shower because I need a shower so bad. It's good. I buy the packages when they are on sale. Pre-marinated and already on a stick, ready for the barbecue. Yum and quick. That does sound delicious. I'm sorry, but it does. It sounds really good. That sounds pretty amazing. Today's Wednesday, right? You want to see what Kaylin made me? Kaylin made me this. Isn't it cute? She colored it for me, so I have it hanging in my office space in my bedroom. Super cute. Yeah, So, anyways, I am going to let you guys go. And don't forget to share my video. And, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright? Peace out.